Hello viewer, how are you? In this video, I will discuss how you can use the padding property in a box modal. Here we will look at various aspects of using padding. As you know, padding is used to create space between the box border and the content. We will understand the use of padding in box modal in detail. In CSS, you have complete control over padding. We can simply say that padding is used to leave space for each side, top, right, bottom and left of an element's content. For example, you want to leave 15 pixels of space around all edges of the content. Use padding with a single value of 15px. That means, it will add 15 pixels of space from all edges. Similarly, if we use padding with two values 15px and 15px, the first value means, it will add space from both top and bottom edges. The second value means, it will add space from both the left and right edges. If the situation is that, we have to leave separate space from top and bottom, and left and right space is same. In this case, we can use three values. 10px, 15px, 8px, the first value is for top padding. The second value is for left and right padding. And the third value is for the bottom padding. Now we change the situation, the requirement is to leave separate spaces from all the edges. Here we can use four values. 10px, 20px, 15px, 30px, allow me to explain. The first value is for top padding. The second value is for right padding. The third value is for the bottom padding. And the fourth value is for left padding. You can use individual padding properties such as padding left, padding right, padding top, and padding bottom. Like this, you can make better box modals by making good use of the padding property. Thank you for watching, goodbye.